Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best T35 Trimmer Head is probably one of the most versatile and durable tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, designed to tackle even the toughest overgrowth with ease and efficiency, making your yard maintenance tasks significantly simpler and more effective. Number 5. Husqvarna T35 Universal Trimmer Head. Introducing the Husqvarna T35 Universal Trimmer Head. It's designed for professional use and is compatible with most straight shaft trimmers. Reloading is a breeze with its easy-to-use spool. Simply remove the cap, and you're ready to go without needing to flip your trimmer. This head comes pre-wound with .095 titanium force trimmer line, offering extended trimming time. It's ready to use right out of the box. Its innovative split spool design helps prevent line tangling and welding. Clear directional arrows ensure you wind the line correctly every time. Attaching, loading, and using this trimmer head is incredibly simple. It's perfect for maintaining a beautifully manicured lawn with ease. This versatile head fits a range of Husqvarna straight shaft trimmers, including the 100 to 500 series, and is also compatible with many Eco, Steel, and Red Max models. What we like. This trimmer head is designed for maximum compatibility, fitting most straight shaft trimmers. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade that works with multiple brands, this is a great choice. Its pre-wound line and easy reload spool save you time and effort in the yard. What people say. The Tap Advance feature is a game-changer. With a simple tap on the ground, I can extend the trimmer line without having to stop and manually adjust it. The Husqvarna T35 is built to last. It has endured hours of use without showing any signs of wear and tear. The materials used are robust and can withstand the rigors of trimming through thick grass and weeds. This head fits perfectly on it. No adapter needed, it just threads right on. All you do is stick a screwdriver in the slot on the underside of the head and twist the head clockwise. It's a left-hand thread. Number 4. Husqvarna T35 Tap Advance Trimmer Head. Introducing the Husqvarna T35 Tap Advance Trimmer Head, designed for professional use. It's compatible with a wide range of straight shaft trimmers from Husqvarna, Eco, Steel, and Red Max. Reloading is a breeze with its easy-to-remove spool. You won't need to flip your trimmer upside down to get the job done. It comes pre-wound with durable .095 titanium force trimmer line, offering extended run times. It can hold up to 28 feet of line and works with various gauges. The innovative split spool design reduces tangling and line welding. Clear directional arrows ensure you wind the line correctly every time. This attachment is incredibly simple to install, load, and operate. It's perfect for both new users and experienced lawn care professionals. Ideal for trimming grass and maintaining a perfectly manicured lawn. It ensures efficient and clean cuts for a professional finish. What we like. Experience less frustration with this trimmer head split spool design that actively reduces line tangling. If you find yourself constantly dealing with jammed trimmer line, this is the solution you need. It also comes pre-wound for immediate use, making your trimming task smoother. What people say. Replacement was super easy, it fit perfectly and is of a thick strong plastic. Excellent design. Easy to install and load. OEM part, works great on my 2003 Husqvarna 323L. I don't think this head originally came with the 323L. I upgraded to this head around 2008 because the line is easier to install. Lasted until 2022. The new one is identical to the one I replaced. Perfect fit and function. Just follow the instructions when installing. Number 3. Husqvarna T35 Trimmer Head. Introducing the Husqvarna T35 Trimmer Head, a genuine professional-grade accessory designed for reliable performance. It's built to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. This trimmer head features a removable spool that makes reloading your trimmer line incredibly simple. Spend less time fiddling and more time trimming. Experience a frustration-free trimming experience thanks to its innovative split design. This feature helps to reduce tangling and prevent line welding, ensuring a smooth operation. Winding the trimmer line is straightforward with clear arrows indicating the correct direction. This ensures proper installation and optimal performance every time. It is compatible with various trimmer line gauges, including 0.065 in, 0.080 in, and 0.095 in. This versatility allows you to choose the line that best suits your needs. Out of the box, it comes preloaded with 0.095 in titanium force trimmer line. This means you can start trimming right away with a high-quality, durable line. What we like. For those who prioritize genuine parts and dependable operation, this trimmer head is the way to go. If you own a Husqvarna trimmer and want guaranteed performance and a perfect fit, choose this option. Its split design also helps prevent line tangles, ensuring a cleaner cut. What people say. It was amazingly easy to install on my DeWalt battery-operated trimmer. OEM quality, and works fine with 525 series. You won't need the included washer. I use with 0.105 commercial trimmer line. Fits perfectly, works great. Number 2. Husqvarna T35 Tap Advanced Trimmer Head. Introducing the T35 Tap Advanced Trimmer Head, designed for your Husqvarna straight shaft trimmers and brush cutters. Experience efficient and easy lawn maintenance. This trimmer head is a direct replacement for OEM parts 537388101 and 531300194. It ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance for your equipment. It's engineered to fit a wide range of Husqvarna models, including the 123L, 225L, 323L, 325L, 326L, and many more. Check our list to ensure compatibility with your specific model. Featuring a double line system, it's perfect for trimming and mowing. The nylon line is automatically fed by a simple tap action, so you can keep working without interruption. Ideal for tackling various lawn care tasks, it excels at trimming around trees, shrubs, and along edges, walls, and fences. Achieve a clean and precise finish with ease. Reloading the line is a breeze. Simply insert the line into the eyelets and twist the knob for a quick and hassle-free refill. What we like. This trimmer head offers exceptional compatibility with a wide range of Husqvarna straight shaft models, including many older ones. If you need a replacement that fits a specific or less common Husqvarna model, this is your best bet. Its tap action automatically feeds the line, making it ideal for detailed trimming around obstacles. What people say. Runs big line better than smaller line. Performs great and meets all expectations. Works exactly as described, would recommend. Number 1. Husqvarna 531300364 T35 Trimmer Head Replacement Spool. Keep your T35 trimmer head working like new with this essential replacement spool. It's designed for optimal performance and easy installation. This spool comes preloaded with 0.095 line, providing the durability and cutting power you need for a clean finish. Experience efficient trimming with every use. Specifically engineered for the Husqvarna T35 trimmer head, this part ensures a perfect fit and reliable operation. Get back to your yard work quickly. Crafted for longevity, this replacement spool is built to withstand demanding tasks. It's a dependable choice for maintaining your outdoor equipment. Replacing your old spool is a breeze with this direct fit part. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your perfectly trimmed lawn. What we like. If your T35 trimmer head spool is worn out or you just need a quick refill, this replacement spool is perfect. If you're looking to get back to trimming quickly without the hassle of winding your own line, this pre-wound option is ideal. It's designed specifically for the T35 head, ensuring a perfect match. What people say. Working great on my Steel FS90R. I have 2 extra spools for the Husqvarna T35 head that I keep filled at all times. When I run out of line, I swap spools and am running again in 30 seconds. Great design, hold a lot of string. Easy to swap. Easy to refill. Simple to install and works like a charm. Much better than trying to roll a new one directly from a third-party cord. This is the only weed eater product my husband likes to buy. It's heavy duty and lasts longer than other products that do the same thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.